Hi, it's Redwood's Assistive Technology Resource Center. Today we're taking a look at Don Johnston's Switch Interface Pro. Let's take a closer look at the Switch Interface Pro from Don Johnston. The Switch Interface can allow you to use your switch to activate various keys on the keyboard or buttons on the mouse. And in order to use our Switch Interface, we'll need a computer with a free USB port, as well as a switch. The first thing we'll do is plug in our device. You'll see as you plug in the interface that it begins to light up. Right now, the yellow light is on. On the back of the device, you'll see a button that allows you to switch lights. As I hit that button, we'll change to green, blue, red, and back to yellow. You'll notice that those colors correspond to the rows with the items that we might want to use our switch for. If you take a look here, we've got several rows of keys. The top row has arrow keys and an enter. Next, we have the space, enter, tab, shift tab, and backspace. Then you've got click, numbers 1, 2, 3, and 0, another click, and right click, double click, space, and enter. Each of these can allow you to activate a key, which helps you use the software. For example, if I wanted to press the click, I'd need to choose either the red or the yellow rows, because those are the only two rows that have click in them. The next thing we'll need to do is plug our switch in. Now this can get a little tricky. On the bottom of the switch interface, you'll see 5 holes. Each of those holes corresponds to a column on the device. For example, the first column has the up arrow, space, click, and click. I'm going to plug my switch into the first. That means that I'm using something in the first column. Now I've also got my switch set to the yellow light. So that means I'm using the first column, yellow row, which is click. Let's give it a try. The next piece of software that we're going to use needs the space bar to be pressed to activate. So the space, I'm choosing the space that's in the yellow row, and I need to plug my switch in to that port. So the space is the 4th one. I'm going to find the 4th hole and plug my switch in. As long as it's on yellow, I'm ready to go. I'm using a game called Big Bang Patterns on the website helpkidslearn.com. It says here that Big Bang Patterns requires the space bar or the enter key. I've set my switch interface to space bar. Let's give it a try. If we go into the game, we should be able to activate it using just our switch without hitting something on the keyboard. When I hit my button, it simulates the spacebar being pressed and activates the game. After several seconds, the effect will stop, and I need to press my switch again. Help Kids Learn has lots of games for cause and effect and for switch use. Give it a shot. It's www.helpkidzlearn.com. Well, I hope you learned a lot about using switch interfaces today. And as always, if you have any questions, give us a call, 859-331-0880.